Hi, I am Manish. Today I am going to show you how to solve this Mastermorphix cube. Mastermorphix is from Sheng Shao. It is shape-shifting cube. So it is nothing but it is similar to 3 by 3, but since it shift the shapes, uh, I mean, you need to keep your orientation and perspective right. So first, let us understand the pieces. Uh, these are centers like this. So in 3 by 3 centers doesn't move, but since it's shape shifting, it shifts the orientation and alignment, and these are corners. So if you look at the 3 by 3 perspective, so this is your plus, this is your plus, this is the center, these are corners. So 1 2 3 and 4. So 1 2 3 and 4, right? These are edges, 1 2 3 4, 1 2 3 4. So now you can see this is your plus, this is center, edges, and corner, corner. So 1 2 3 4. So it's like this corner, 4 corners and 4 edges, right? It has 3 layers. Like if you look at 3 by 3, you can see from here, this is first layer, this is second layer, and this is third layer. Similarly, it's like 3 by 3 only. So first, this is second layer, and this is third layer. First, second, third, right? So let's scramble it. So it is scrambled properly now. I also scrambled this 3 by 3, so we can solve with this for better understanding. So first we need to align the centers, because unlike 3 by 3, in 3 by 3 centers doesn't move. So but in this case center flips, and it changes its orientation. So first we need to align the centers. So you can see from this perspective, like there are 3 centers which has common color, that is yellow. So you can see yellow and blue, yellow and green, and yellow and red. So what we can do is we can align it like this. So now you can see all centers are aligned. Similarly, you can see from this side, this blue and blue. So these are 3 centers which we can align. So now yellow is aligned, blue is aligned. So green, we need to align this green. So green. So now you can see all centers are aligned: blue, red, yellow, and green. So now next step is to make a plus mark. So you can start from any anywhere. I mean, you can start from here also, like we can make a plus mark in blue and green. So it's like we have to make a plus mark. So in this, what we normally do is we align with the center. So like this, if we have, so this is the plus mark which normally align with the centers. So this is the first step. Similarly, we have to make a plus mark. So first we need to find an edge which is blue. So blue is here. So what we can do is we can bring this down, move this into this position and check whether it matches with this. It flush out, so it will not work. So we'll again move this into its original position and make sure you don't disturb your centers. So centers should be aligned. So we need to find a blue which matches with one blue is here, which we can try. This blue we can try to set up. So what we can do is we can move. So it was like this, and we have to fix this over here, this blue over here. So what we can do is we can move this top and fix it and bring this back, and we need to align with this red. So bring it back. So now you can see one side is fixed. Now we have to fix these two edges green. So this green will match with this, but we need to align the centers at the same time. So what we can do is we can move this top into this position. So if we align it and bring this back, so now it is fixed. Similarly, we have to fix this green edge which is here. So, or maybe we can fix either of this. So we have this green center. What we can do is we can bring this down and we can fix this edge with it and bring this back. So now it is aligned with centers also, like this. So now you can see it is aligned with the centers also. So it is like this. So this from this center to this center. So from this center to this center. So now you can see the plus mark is Done. So now next step is to fix the corners like 3 by 3. So in 3 by 3 normally there are different thing, RID, IRD, or RU, R prime, U prime. So like this corner we can fix like this. So similarly we have to fix all corners. So we have to fix the corner. Now we have blue, green and red. So we have to fix one corner here which is green, blue and red. These are the centers. So we need to fix, we need to match with the centers. So green, blue and red. So green, blue and red is here only. But this red is facing the centers. So this red is facing the centers. So we need to move it. So this is your right. These are three layers. One, this is second layer and this is third layer. So this is right, this is left and this is top, right? So we have to move this piece. I mean we have to flip this piece. So R to U and R prime. Now again bring this up. Now we have green, blue and red. So blue is on the right side. Now you can see. So now you can fix it. R, this is your right side. This is right side. This is center layer. This is left. So R, U. Now you can see it is matched, and R prime. So the corner is fixed. Similarly, this corner, blue corner is here. So we have to bring it out. So R, U, R prime. So blue corner is here. Now what we can do is, this is our left, up, right, down. So this corner is also fixed. Now we have to fix green, blue and yellow. Green, blue and yellow. So green is on the right side. So we can do this algorithm of right side, R, U, R prime. So now this corner is also fixed. Now fourth corner, that is green is here. Simply bring this out, take this in and bring it back. So Now you can see our first layer is solved. So our plus mark and all four corners are fixed. Now the next step is to fix the second layer, sorry, like this. We need to fix the edges of second layer. So normally we have two algorithms to fix this. So let's say if we need to fix this edge over here, so it is r u r prime u prime and move this side, and l prime u prime l u. So it is fixed, and similarly we will fix all edges. So from this side to this side, left side, this was right side, this is left side. So for left side there is a different algorithm, that is u prime l prime u prime l u. Move it right, and r u r prime u prime. So it is fixed. Similarly this is flipped, so we have to take it out. So and now we can fix it. So u prime l prime u prime l u, move it right, r u r prime u prime. U prime l prime u prime l u r u r prime u prime. So similarly we have to fix these edges. These are already fixed, so I'll move out for better understanding. So now you can see we have to fix these edges. So first we'll start with this. We have to fix yellow edge over here. So we need to make sure it doesn't it should not flush with this yellow. So if it flushes with this yellow, we have to keep like this. It should not flush with the yellow. So this is the right position. So from this position, it's like from here to here. So from here to here, this is your perspective, this is your orientation, this is center layer, this is right layer, this is left, right? So from top center layer to right side, from here to here. So similar algorithm of 3 by 3, u r u r prime u prime, and move it left, L prime, U prime, L, U. So now you can see the middle edge is solved. Similarly, we have to fix green edge. Green edge is here. So first we'll solve this red edge. So keep it like this. It should not flush like this. So this is the layer. This is the edge we need to fix. So this is the center layer, right, left. So this is our right side, this is our left side, and we need to fix this. So U, R, U prime, R prime, U prime, and L prime, U prime, L, U. So now our red edge is also fixed. Now we have to fix yellow edge, green edge. So green, now we can see this is the left, right to left. So it's like from here to here. First we solved this side, now we have to fix this side. So this is our left, this is right, and this is center. So U prime, L prime, U prime, L, U, R, U, R prime, U prime. So now you can see our second layer is solved. So now next step is to solve the top layer. There are different cases to make plus. In this case it is L shape. So what normally we used to do is we move these two layers to right side and R, U, R prime, U prime, and bring this back. So the plus mark is done. In this case, since it's shape shifting, we need to understand the pieces. This is flush, so this is flipped. This is on the wrong side, on the red this side, so this is also flipped. So these two are flipped. So we'll start with this side, R. See, this is our right side, front side. So it's like this. So front side, this is our front, this is our right, this is our right, this is our left. So this is our front. So F, R, U, R prime, F, U prime, and F prime. So now we can see our two edges are matched. Two edges we need to match. So one line we can see this is done. So it's like we have done this one line, right? So I'll just show you. It is similar to this line. So now we can see our line is done. So now we have to flip this. This is on the right side but it is flipped. This is also on the right side but it is flipped. So F, this is our F, this is our F, this is right, this is left. So F, R, U, R prime, U prime and F prime. So now we can see this this and this. These three pieces are in the right the right orientation, but it is flipped. So this is the one side which is on the right orientation. So we'll keep this in front and we will do, this is our right, this is left, R, U, R prime, U, R, 2U, R prime. Again we have to flip this. So R, U, R prime, U, R, 2U, R prime. So now you can see all our edges are in the right position. So it is similar to this. What we have done is this, we kept it horizontally, and F, R, U, R prime, U prime, F prime. So our plus is done. And what we did is, after that we matched with the edges also. So we'll keep the match edges in the back and right side, and R, U, R prime, U, R, 2U, R prime. So now you can see all our edges are matched with the centers. So now the next last step is to align the centers. So this yellow should be here. I think we need to fix all corners. So we can do one similar algorithm. In this case also, there is one corner which is in the correct position but it is flipped. But in this case no corners are into correct position. So we will do the same algorithm like U, R, U prime, L prime, U, R prime, U prime, L. So now you can see two corners are already in place. This is also in place but it is flipped. So in this case we will do the same algorithm. This is right, left, this is top. So U, R, U prime, L prime, U, R, U prime, L. So now we can see our one corner is fixed. So this is fixed. So in this case, this was normally we keep it on the right hand side, so this will keep on the right hand side. This is our right top corner, and three corners we need to fix. So sorry, R U U prime L prime U R prime U prime L. So yellow and red corners are fixed. These two corners are yet to fix. So again we'll keep this into right hand side only. U R U prime L prime U R prime U prime L. So now we can see these three corners are again flipped. So this, keep this in right hand side only. U R U prime L prime U R prime U prime L. Again keep doing it. U R U prime L prime U R prime U prime L. So now you can see all our corners are into right position. This is also into right position, but it is flipped. This is also into right position, but it is flipped. So now we can see these two corners are into correct position, but they are flipped, right? So we do the same algorithm like RI DI R D 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 RI DI R D. So now we can see we need to fix this. So RI DI R D RI DI R D RI DI R D RI DI R D. So this is fixed. Similarly we need to fix this. So RI, this is our R, this is our D. So RI DI R D RI DI R D RI DI R D RI DI R D. So this is into correct orientation. Now we have to fix this. RI DI R D RI DI R D RI DI R D RI DI R D. Now you can see this is also fixed, this is also fixed, but here two pieces are not flushed properly. So what we can do is we'll bring this one corner which is matched, either this or this over here, and again we'll do RIDI RD. So now you can see it is still not matched. So we'll try with this corner RIDI RD RIDI RD. So now we can see our cube is solved. Thank you. If you have any query, you can message me. Thank you.